So about 2 weeks ago, it was my birthday, and as a firm collector of aircraft die-cast models, I asked my grandfather to get me the US military F-22 Raptor in a 1:100 scale model. So I thought that why not make this video a little more special and unbox the plane with two special guests. My younger sister Hala here, say hi.
Hi.
And the other special guest, my pet parakeet Mithu.
Ow,
Say hi, Mithu. It's not like he's gonna straw. So without further ado, let's get into this part.
It's from Amazon, or you can order it from any other thing you want. Whoa.
Look at that.
That's
Scale 100 F-22. Don't know
Okay,
what company it
let's
is.
get back.
Ecompspace. Let's
open
get rid of that.
it.
Mithu, so do you have anything to say about this plane? Nope. Okay. I don't think he likes planes. I don't think. So.
Me too. See guys, here my pet parakeet can.
Whoa.
Talk them.
That is amazing. Oh, and there's it's a nice box. It's a nice seal. It's going to be easy to open it.
Whoa.
Look at that detail.
Can I touch
It's pretty amazing.
Can I touch it?
Not yet. Wait. It has a green palette in the canopy. In the cockpit, not the canopy.
Let's take it out.
Okay. Hala, could you do the honors of taking it? Could you do the honors of taking it out, please?
Okay, I would love to.
Don't pull it, please.
Okay, move your hand, please.
I don't think that's how you take it out.
Yep.
That is how you take it out. Whoa.
It's
Let me
super
see.
cool. And guys, you can see I put nail polish.
It has a nice, firm, heavy touch to it. I'm genuinely surprised. I thought it would be one of those cheap plastic models. This is amazing.
Yep. Wait.
I am genuinely surprised. And it has a stand,
That we had to fix.
which we have to fix. Correct. You put that in that. It's a collector's model.
Whoa.
Look at how awesome that looks.
I will cut the box.
No, you do not cut boxes, Hala. They're like, Mithu, what would you like to say about this plane?
Me too.
Okay, no biting.
Me
please.
too.
It's just a plane, buddy.
Me too.
Hala, can you let Mithu speak, please?
You're so cute. I just want to give you a big kiss.
It's not completely, Hala. It's not completely to scale with the real one. Like the air intake area is a little smaller than the real one, but you can't fit everything into a tiny model like this. You have the wheels coming out of the landing gear area. No, not yet. You can't play with it yet. Mithu, what are you doing, buddy? And there goes the stand. So then you have closely printed and cut out bay doors. I like the feel of it. It just feels nice. Hala, what are you doing? Stop. Just keep him. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna have quite a lot of fun playing with this with Hala.
Yay!
Ah! I thought you were kissing me too that hard. It has the US military logo on it. Very well printed. It has a nice. Excuse me. Mintu, can you get tail off my face, please? So there you have it. Hala. So there you have it. This is the Ecompspace F-22 Raptor for Hala, please stop. It was for a price of 3,400 Indian rupees. I don't really know how much that is in dollars. I think around $25 to $50 between that price range. I know that's a huge price. That's a huge price range, but it is pretty worth it. I think I'd say it's worth the money. Definitely, It has even, you can even show the bay doors, me too. I just hope he doesn't poop on my head. There's nothing else in the box. I'm genuinely surprised. I thought there would be some sort of...
The plane is taking off!
You have Chinese writing here. And on the other side, Chinese writing as well. 26, 7 and 1, I don't know what that is. Scale 1 to 100. Hala, please stop. It says, oh, actually, no. 5,494 Indian rupees, which is, I'd say almost $100. Around $80.
Better.
He's grooming himself on my head. Let's see how you like it when he goes on your head. Mittu, come on, get off. Nobody, that's my head. Balancing on one foot. It's Parrot's specialty. Oh, isn't he? Look, he's balancing on one foot. So, that was all. This is the...
Stop.